Welcome. If you want to keep your most important conversations at the top of your inbox on X, formerly known as Twitter, there's a simple way to do it with the latest update. Today, I'll walk you through how to pin a conversation on X using your PC, so you never lose track of those key chats. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look at the left side of the page and click on Messages. This will take you straight to your direct message inbox, where all your conversations are listed neatly in one place. Now scroll through your messages and find the conversation you want to keep at the top. This could be a chat with a friend, a group, or even a business contact, any conversation you want quick access to. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that conversation. You'll notice 3 dots, often referred to as the More icon, appear next to it. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with a few options. From this menu, simply select Pin Conversation. That's it. The conversation will instantly move to the top of your inbox, making it easy to find whenever you need it. Pinning conversations is a great way to stay organized, especially if you're managing several chats at once. You can pin up to 6 conversations, and they'll appear at the very top of your inbox in the order you pinned them. This feature is available to all users and works seamlessly across devices, so if you pin a chat on your PC, it'll show up pinned on your phone too. To unpin a conversation, just repeat the same steps and choose Unpin Conversation from the menu. It's that easy to keep your most important messages front and center. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to pin conversations on X using your PC. Stay organized, stay connected, and make the most out of your messaging experience on X.